Want to know how to read and write a file in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily read or write your code or your file. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. So I have written this code up right here. You can just simply copy it up, and this one writes to a file and then reads it back. So we use FileWriter to write a line to output.txt. So you can say output.txt right here. We'll create a new file. So we have created a new file named output.txt. So we need to always close the writer after you're done. Then we create a file object and use scanner to read it line by line. And has next line method checks if there is more to read, and next line method grabs it. Basically, you save some data and then read it back, like saving a note and opening it later. So it's simply file input and output made simple. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Super simple and easy. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.